What's up, guys? I hope you guys are all doing good. Welcome back to Bosque's FX Forex Group. We really appreciate you guys to have you back once again to our YouTube channel, and we would like to thank you all who just subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, guys, and not yet done so, please kindly hit the subscribe bell and turn on the notification icon so that you'll be the first one to see our new concept when we upload our next video. So guys, in today's video we are going to share with you US30 strategy which you can apply on your trading plan, and also we are going to share with you the Nasdaq one. So if you are looking forward to learn the order block strategies and the ICT concept and smart money concept, welcome to the family. I hope you enjoy, guys. And before we go any further, here was the setup which we shared with our team, and this was US30 as you can see, and this was the H1 time frame. So we said the price have taken out the previous high, creating a new high here, comes back with compression to the order block and picked the orders and shifted the market going up. And we also took that trade on our True Forex fund. So if you are not yet registered, find the link below description. So without wasting your time, guys, as you can see here, this is our US30. And before we start with smaller time frame, we go to our bigger time frame and understand what is going on there. So guys, as you can see here, the price took the previous high. As you can see, this was the high and created a new high. And then we said we only take the order blocks which are responsible for breaking the structure, right? And as you can see, the price didn't reach the order block, but they rejected around this zone. So once you go to H4 time frame, you want to understand if there was another order block which was responsible for breaking the structure, because you want to trade in line with the market makers. So what you have to do, as you can see, if we find something like this, guys, this was the OB which was responsible for breaking the structure, right? OB, which was, right there, right? And another zone which you have to label is the last higher low. So once you find that, you delete this, right? But they'll come back in future. So what you have to do is to zoom in. Let us zoom in. As you can see, why I want to explain about this zone is because a lot of retail traders were buying here, guys. I saw most of the colleagues buying here, guys. Those retail traders. I was smiling. Why? Because I didn't know that they were going to be taken out. You just can't buy here, guys. Just can't buy here. You have to wait for the price to take out the previous liquid. That's what we explained on our other video, so you'll find the link below description. So once price comes back to take out the liquid, because they know that a lot of people were buying here, meaning they have to take them out and then shift the market going up by using the smart move, guys. They just made money going up, and then those retail traders were being taken out, and then the price continued going down, and now the price is now going up. Why? Because they are coming from the OB which was responsible for breaking the structure, right? And here was the equity. So once you see something like this, guys, don't trade. You wait for the price to come back to your OB, something like this, as you can see. Now let's go back to our H1 time frame and understand what was going there. You see, the price even took that zone going up, and then why I did say that I want to see a buy. It's because that the price have created a new rally base rally, meaning now they are creating new high highs, as you can see. So I did label this zone as my new high, right? And then this was the order block, right? The order block right there. But we can't buy here, guys. We can't buy here around this zone. If we buy here, guys, we'll be in a lot of drawdown and put our SL here. We'll be in a lot of drawdown. So what you have to do is to break down to smaller time frame, because now you have understood the biggest time frame, the bigger structure. So once you are in smaller time frame, you just can't go for these order blocks, guys. You go for the last candlestick. This last candlestick right there was responsible for market to push up all of those pushes going up. So once you market something like this, guys, you have to understand that the price will come back and pick the orders and goes up. But you have to understand if there was compression. So what do I mean by compression, guys? This is the smart way to read the compression, which I'm going to share with you today. So once price is going up, as you can see, you can count the candlestick. Let's say here we have candlestick like 20 in 15 minutes chart, and then as you can see, here was the market structure break, but they did take their time to come back to this order block only. How many candlesticks do you think which were issued? Around 200, even to 50. Let's say roughly to 50. And then why did the price come back with 50 candlestick? Here they only give you like 20. It's because a lot of retail traders are looking forward to sell and buy. But you, by understanding that the price is only coming back for this order block right there, you don't have to trade everything which you see in the Forex market. You don't have to trade everything which you see in the Forex market, meaning this was the compression, guys. And I know a lot of people who are not patient enough, they can take a sell here, take a sell around those zones, guys, another sell here, and also some they can even say this was the order block. They can even take this sell, and also this one. I saw a lot of people were selling here yesterday, guys. A bunch of people who were selling, but they do not know that these dealers are smart. These dealers are smart. Why? Because you can take a sell and hold, take a sell and hold, but the only true move which they can give you is a buy. Why? Because this was compression coming back to the OB, and then they were trapping the retail traders, trapping a lot of people who were taking sales, and I know a lot can even start selling here, and then the price shifted going up. Price shifted. If you see price going up and then you miss the entry, like let's say you miss the entry, let me delete this, because once they start going up, they will shift with the first move, because they will be want to take out all of these retail traders who were taking sales at these zones. So once you see the price shifted without you, you just have to wait for them to break the structure, right? And as you can see, this OB right there was a responsible one. And if we are able to break down in smaller time frame to use 1 minute, you can, if we are able to understand like what I do. I understand how to take these 1 minute order blocks. So once you are able to understand that, you can even take this trade here, guys, because they just came back for the order block, then shift the market going up. So once you are able to understand that they are coming for that order block which was responsible for breaking this lower high first, you are able to trade, guys. And the price shifted going up. So that's how you break down from bigger time frame to smaller time frame, only by understanding if the price have taken out the previous high, creating a new high, and then wait for the price to give you compression coming back to the OB, and then shift the market going up. And now let's go to Nasdaq. Guys, and give you the last example. So what I do, I start with my daily because I want to understand the bigger time frame. So what I do not really like is that Nasdaq is going up and there's nothing on my left, but we have to trade. And you can see here, guys, was our previous high, right? Previous high, and then this was the order block right there. And a lot of people can say you can't buy here, guys. You can't buy here because if we buy here, our stops or our stop loss will be 100 pips away from our entry. So we have to minimize to have a good entry zone. So as you can see, now we are in H4 time frame. This was the order block right there, right? The order block OB right there. This order block right here, this one was responsible for giving the market strength to go up, meaning it was the last candlestick, right? It was the last candlestick right there. So once you understand that, you go back to H1 time frame because you want to take trades in H1 time frame. So as you can see here, guys, as you can see, now we are in H1 time frame, and this is the order block which we can only take this one. This is the OB, guys, the OB right there, meaning we're going to put our buy limits around that zone in our SL, this zone. And now as you can see, the price even took this higher low right there. Why did the price took this higher low? Because they know a lot of people are holding. So you to be smart, guys, knowing that the price can also come back to the OB, because me, if price doesn't break this lower high, I know the price can also come back. So you can use this SL around this zone and then hold. So that's why I advise you to go for those true forex funds. Buy your 10,000 account with only $90, and then once you pass the phase one, it's refundable, and then start trading and you get your 80% shares. So you find the link below description and go read the terms and conditions and start trading with them. So as you can see, the price even come back to pick the orders and shifted the market, meaning a lot of bunch of retail traders were looking for order block at this zone. They were going to use this SL around this zone, and their SLs were being taken out. Once the price take out, they start going back. So meaning they were just reducing the bunch of traders here by taking them out, but the true move always remain the same. They go up once they come to pick the orders. So that's for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share with your family and friends. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram group for free signals and free setup. I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you.